Yeah, good afternoon. This is me, Brandon. JPS Paul dropped one lick in my head about 5 years now. 5 years. And JPS are doing anything about it. 5 to 6 years going on. Me never had pressure problem, and when the pole drop in my head, the pressure has been taking me from that day, from 5 years now. If you check my doctor record, I have no such thing as no pressure. And when the pole drop one lick in my head, it may get strokes. You notice this side of the forehead, yeah, it's on this side, and right here, flat. My mouth has been twisted up. Yeah, and JPS, now the lawyer that putting on the case doing anything on it. Nothing about it they're not doing. And I need to know what's going on because my face is hurting me. 5 years young people. I run a business, and my business has been broken down from 5 years on. My business cannot go back up. I have to spend everything at private doctor and plus at the clinic. And they're doing nothing about it. And right now, right here, I get a stroke. I cannot see anything from here. Yeah, so I need to know what JPS is doing because I'm going to take it further if nothing has been done. And it's getting me impatient because every time I have to go to the doctor and the clinic and I have my kids them to mind and my family to feed. And we don't go into the post where the post drop and lick me in my head. We've been calling them about the post. Shiny call them about the post. Azan call them about the post that is falling down. And nobody paying attention to the post. I need some justice. I cannot live like this. We can't be having all my sick and come out in the rain. I try to look something for my kids them. This is injustice. This is unfair. And I need to know what they're doing. Okay.